Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming core permissions and a clean environment. Enable Siri, choose language and voice so responses match your ear. Train Hey Siri with the prompts. Once done, make sure your microphone and case aren't blocking sound. This reduces false negatives. Start with 3 short commands: call, timer, and send message. These first actions establish a reliable baseline. Practice the phrasing aloud, rhythm and pause matter. After that, you move into layered commands and shortcuts for real efficiency. Next, you construct shortcuts that convert multi-step routines into one phrase. Open shortcuts, build sequences, map navigation to home, trigger lights, and send quick updates. Use natural language and keep triggers short so Siri recognizes them reliably. Once done, test each shortcut aloud and refine timing between actions. Delays matter. Make most chains 2 to 4 steps to avoid failures and label them clearly. After testing, pin favorites to the home or widget screen, so invoking them becomes muscle memory. Finally, you fold Siri into everyday tasks: calendar checks, reminders, navigation, and hands-free dictation. Use it during driving and while cooking. Repeat simple phrases to speed recognition. Make sure to review Siri suggestions daily and prune or re-record any triggers that fail. If something goes wrong, first restart your device, then retrain Hey Siri and inspect the microphone and network connection. If problems persist, disable then re-enable Siri in settings. That often clears permission or profile glitches and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.